Thank you, thank you. What, you guys have been paid for this? To make this loud noise? Yeah, free में किया. Free में किया. Honestly, I'll tell you why I'm here. They told me they're gonna give a trophy to each speaker. जैसा भी last वाले को दिया. And when I was of your age, throughout my school life, I never received one. Never. So I'm like, that's why I've come all the way from Delhi, just for the trophy, just to put it out there. That's why I'm here. And where's Mr. Khandelwal? Where is he gone? Yeah. What did you introduce me as? क्या joke मारा था? बोलना फिर से? हाँ? क्या था ये? फिर से बोलना? But what's up? I like to talk to people in the audience. That's what I like to do instead of just straight away. But before I do that, let me tell you a little bit about myself. My name is Nishant. My stage name is Jog Singh, and I'm not famous. I'm not famous like Russell Peters or Kapil Sharma. I'm not. I'm somewhat famous. Somewhat. Like I arrived in Jaipur this morning, and I was at the hotel near to the airport, Marriott. इतनी औकात है इनकी. It's a nice hotel, just nice hotels. So, I was at the Marriott, and when I was just leaving from the hotel for the auditorium, I was waiting outside for my cab, minding my own business, waiting for my cab. And this is what happens when you are somewhat famous. Like on a scale of 0, on a popularity scale of 0 to Ranbir Kapoor, I'm at Tushar Kapoor. And this is what happens when you're Tushar Kapoor of comedy. This is what happens. So I was waiting for my cab, minding my own business, and suddenly this guy walked by. I'm just standing there, he just walked by. He goes, no. This happened twice. But the third guy came, he recognized me. The third guy who came, he was like, Vinod Kambli. Yeah, laugh as what you want to. I wasn't laughing, right? But yeah, so everyone who are from college here, like, just okay. So everybody who's not in school dress, who's here in fancy clothing from college, but college kids, yeah. But when I'm gonna be on stage, I'm gonna be honest about my life, everything, whatever you ask, I'll be very honest about it. But at the same point of time, I would like you guys to be as honest as I'm gonna be on stage, right? So, people in the audience, all the kids I'm talking about, who have girlfriends and boyfriends, give me a cheer. See, I'm asking for honesty here, not smartness. Having, yeah, college girls. See, this is when your friends who hate you because you have a girlfriend. This is when they're like, इसने ये पाप किया है. रिंकू की गर्लफ्रेंड है, ये मानेगा नहीं, मैं बता रहा हूँ. ये इंटरव्यू में टिफिन शेयर करता है, ये उसका पराठा खाता है, वो इसका वड़ा पाव खाती है. So who has a girlfriend? सर खड़े हो जाओ, जिसके लिए भी ये हो रहा है वो खड़े हो जाओ. Whoever this is, how embarrassed are you about your girlfriend? Only because you're in auditorium, I'm very sure every time he's outside, he'll be like, that's mine. Very girlfriend. Nice. ये बेचारा कब से खड़ा हुआ है? क्या नाम है? क्या नाम है? नाम अरे भाई कोई क्या बात है? हाँ कोई ऋतिक. हाँ ऋतिक must tell you, your parents must be very optimistic. Where you were born. But now what they call you? Still Ritik?
Kritik.
Ritik, कितनी उंगलियां? 6 उंगलियां? हाँ? ऋतिक जैसा कुछ भी है?
It's KK. It's not H.
कितने?
Kritik.
Kritik. It's very close to critique, but yeah, you're in good standard. 12th, science, arts. Science पढ़ने वाले आता है. लग रहा है, शक्ल से लग रहा है. Shaving का भी टाइम नहीं मिलता. Science. That's typical science students. That's how. मतलब चाहे कुछ कर भी नहीं रहे होंगे तो दिखाने के लिए शेव नहीं करेंगे. अबे तू आर्ट्स का तेरे पास बहुत टाइम है. But and you're here with your friends, Kitik?
Yeah.
Yeah, and you have a girlfriend, right?
Yeah.
Science student की girlfriend कैसे होती है? This is the first time. I've never come across anybody who's sorry. Physics? हाँ. What physics? Girlfriend of a science student, physics. That's how people talk in Jaipur? That's how they speak? Can somebody please translate the meaning of this? Sir, क्या बोलना चाह रहे थे? What's your name? चिराग. नाम तो बहुत पॉजिटिव है. नाम से तो नहीं लगता ऐसा सेंटेंस बोलोगे, पर चिराग, you are in which grade? Which standard you are in? 10th. You're excited बड़ी. अरे दो माइक दो. घर वालों ने नाम चिराग रखा है तो रोशन तो करके आएगा. हाँ, अब now explain. I'm all ears. क्या हुआ? हाँ?
व्हाट्सएप का जोक था.
व्हाट्सएप का जोक था. चोरी के जोक क्यों बोले? मेरे को दिल्ली से बुलाया ना, जोक मेरे पे छोड़ो. व्हाट्सएप का जोक था. Anyway, फिर से we'll go back to him. इसको ऐसे ही थोड़ा अटेंशन चाहिए था. He doesn't have a girlfriend clearly. Just for some attention. So, Chirag, is the girl sitting next to you? Before he answered, she's like Rakhi brother. So where's your girlfriend?
Just sitting beside.
That's a guy. Oh, okay. Sorry. I thought he pointed towards a guy. I'm like, दो हो सकता है. Now science makes sense. Kritik, I am sorry, but this is the last day.
Yes, sir.
It looks on her face कि खत्म इसके बाद. किसने बोला था उछलने को? What's your name, lady? What's your name?
It's Amulya.
Amulya. Kritik is like really proud. How's your girlfriend? Amulya. And Amulya, you also a science student?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, in the same class?
Yeah.
So how did Kritik like? Why?
It's
Sorry?
in seventh.
It's in?
It's in seventh.
It's in 7. Oh! So, what she's trying to say is कि गलती बहुत पहले हो गई थी. करना पड़ रहा है बस अब just to live with it. What? Is he rich? Is he rich?
I didn't even think about it. till
No,
now.
but now do you even know? Is he rich? 5 साल में इतना तो पता चल ही गया होगा. हाँ? कॉफी पिलाने कहाँ ले आता है? बरिस्ता, कैफे कॉफी डे, या जो बार है वो छोले कुलचे के साइड में.
Actually, I do not approve of it going out of school.
Oh, okay. No wonder this is sad look on his face. है पर नहीं है. Good, good guys. Thank you so much. Sit down, sit down.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Please get it for them. Kritik and Amolya. Yeah. All the best, guys. All the best. I'm sure once you guys clear 12th, you'll go out of school. Kritik, it will happen. Don't lose hope. Don't stop believing in God. That's what I'm saying. Yeah. And who's that other person, that famous person behind in that group who has a girlfriend? There's one. कौन है? Nice. So you're quite popular. Yeah. Is it because you're popular, or is it because you have a girlfriend that's why you're popular?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know. Or is it just they're just jealous because you have a girlfriend?
Maybe.
Maybe. What's your name?
Nikhil.
Nikhil. And where's your girlfriend?
Sitting.
Hey, hi. घर में बता क्या है चेंजिंग टुमारो में क्या कर रहे हो? हाँ? I want to see one couple in the audience. I want to see just one couple who's like, hi, this is this. Where's your girlfriend? वहाँ पे. One नहीं, कहाँ पे ये रही? Why do you think we are here? हाँ? Comedy तो क्या कपिल शर्मा की नहीं देखते थे हम घर पे? आपके लिए थोड़ी आए हैं तो. So Nikhil, what's your girlfriend's name?
Vinny.
Winnie. Winnie, and what?
Vinny.
V-I-N-I.
Yeah.
That's what I said, Winnie. Yeah, and what are you guys? What grade you are in?
12th.
12th, science?
No commerce.
Commerce. थोड़ा सा कम पढ़ ले. I'm sure you guys go out of school. Yeah? They're like, yeah. See, I told you. It's nice. And you've been seeing each other for how long?
1 year.
1 year now. Are you teachers here?
No.
No, none?
No, they're not.
No, तब भी. सही है. Good going, good going. Any other couple? And let me guess, the girl sitting next to you trying to hide her face. She's like, oh. What's her name?
Zubin.
Zubin. No, you're not your, her.
Rupal.
Rupal. Rupal, this is not television. It's not like if you won't look at me, I won't be able to see you. She's like, let me look somewhere else. That way you won't be able to see me. But, so, Rupal and Zubin, and you guys also commerce? So that's great, yeah. And seeing each other for how long?
1 year.
1 year. ये सब साथ में शुरू हुआ था क्या? सबने पॉलिसी एक साथ ली थी. And Zubin, to be very honest, how many girlfriends you had before Rupal? Be very honest. 4. He said 4 and then don't lie, 6, I know. Good. Thank you. Sit down. Get it for Zubin. He is quite a player. 12th तक आते 6 गर्लफ्रेंड. कॉलेज तक तो पता नहीं क्या रणवीर सिंह होगा तेरे. Nice. College kids don't have girlfriends. Only school kids have girlfriend. क्या? और college kids are too smart. They're like, we can lie at comedy show. He won't know. Where are college kids at? All those. Well, yeah. What? I'm just saying college kids. I'm not even asking about your relationship status anymore. They are so scared. Like, नहीं, college में नहीं है. Volunteer है मैं यहाँ. चाय कॉफी पिलाने आई थी. Yeah. So you know what's the good part? If in case you guys don't reply to what I'm asking, the good part is that this is a wireless mic. He's just saying anything I'm gonna ask. He's just gonna start. Aaj blue hai pam. Yeah, singing. So, yeah. Maybe these school girls are happy to know that you broke. So, how old are you guys? 15. Like, how old are you? 20. No, they're too young. Two kids. But why did she broke up? Because of the Honey Singh thing. When did you realize no, this is not this? We're not compatible. तुम खाने में नमक ज़्यादा खाती हो मुझे. When? How? कैसे पता चला? हाँ? भग ज़्यादा करती है. What's your name? Puneet, I'm sorry to break this down to you,
No.
but that's not your ex-girlfriend. That's just every girl in this world. That's
Thanks for the support.
yeah. No, just say इस चक्कर में मत छोड़ना. I see the girls going exactly. Who? So some of you must have been in a relationship or something. What? You're not from college? Nobody's sitting with the college girls. How optimistic are you? घर में पापा भी ने कभी समझाया नहीं था कि चद्दर जितना उतना पैर फैलाना चाहिए. Hold on. He has an iPhone 6. He's not making calls. I'm not even sure if there's a SIM card inside, but he's just sitting flashing it to the girl. Sitting next to an iPhone 6. It's only in your hand. That's where it should be. It'd be really awkward if it's anywhere else. How old are you? 50. You know that thing costs 62,000 rupees? That's more than both your kidneys together. And I quite honestly like her. You know what? Now she's offended. But do you have a girlfriend? No, be honest. Why the iPhone 6? Why the flashing? What, are you Punjabi? क्या पापा मेरे ऐसे ही लेके दिया iPhone 6? क्या करते हैं पापा? Business. I should have guessed. Yes. Because there's black money written all over the iPhone. It's written all over it. So, and anybody else who's you do the guy with the specs? No. Why? No, not her. Oof, Jesus! He is sitting in middle of 12 girls. The only guy. He's like the Krishan Kanhaiya. Just यहाँ पे 5, यहाँ पे 5. And maybe I need to rephrase my question. Do you have girlfriends? No. No? Yeah. Why does this look like that? Yeah, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Hello, we have more young people joining us. I'm sure that you don't realize it just happened. Oh no, I'm not done. No, there's no escaping. There's a mic there. But how come you're so favorite? Like, this one girl who didn't even get a chair to sit, but she just wanted to be in the same room where you are sitting, so she's sitting on ground. Camera, उनके ऊपर camera. ये output जहाँ से भी हो रहा है ना, ये camera दिखाओ. She's sitting. What's your name? Nikhil. And what do you do, Nikhil? What do you do? I want to know. Now, this is seriously, I want to know for everybody else in this room, that what do you do to be as cool as this? Whatever you have achieved. If you want to talk about your achievement, you should be on stage. And people should be asking you, so Nikhil Bhaiya, like how, like when did you, like कब सोचा था कि बड़े होके ऐसा सब कर पाओगे?
They are just my friends, not my friends.
They're just my friends. अभी सब साथ में तो you can't say. बाद में एक करके phone में darling. What are you doing again?
I am a college student.
College student. I won't have guessed. I like specific answers. I'm a college student. Like, but what do you study?
Interiors.
Interiors. Sometimes jokes write themselves. This is one of those times. I didn't say anything. I did not. Not this week. Not? Who's saying that?
My colleague, Siddharth.
कौन बोला? Not this week. When you do you know Siddharth? When you answer for somebody else, for their girlfriend, it just sounds weird. It doesn't sound correct. That you know that no this week it doesn't have. I know ना मेरे को पता है मैं देखता है.
I was just lucky. Better look.
It just
From Vinay.
From Vinay. No, let Vinay do it. Anyways, Vinay. How many Punjabis here? Punjabis? Make some noise. No, not Sardar. Just Punjabis. Just Punjabis. Make some noise. Make like real Punjabis do. You're fake Punjabis. No, I said make some noise. Give me a loud cheer, like a Punjabi cheer. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. I am married to a Punjabi. My wife is a Punjabi. And the first thing I realized after getting married to my wife, who's a Punjabi, the first thing I realized is that you cannot use the word Punjabi and logic in the same sentence. My wife's logic to everything in life is Evan. हाँ लाइक डालेंगे राजमा में चिकन क्यों डाला? Evan. And I thought maybe it's just her. But I was watching a cricket match, and generally what happens after a match gets over, players greet each other by shaking hands, right? That's what they do. हरभजन सिंह ने उठाकर श्रीशांत को थप्पड़ मार दिया. क्यों? And I don't get Punjabi names. लड़का भी जसप्रीत, लड़की भी जसप्रीत. लड़का भी मनप्रीत, लड़की भी मनप्रीत. Guess. But I like Punjabi music, man. Punjabi songs. Fans of Punjabi songs in the house? Fans of Punjabi songs? Yeah. Nice. That's future of India. Nice. No. I like Punjabi songs, man. I like Punjabi songs. Punjabi songs have so much swag in it that you can sing anything and get away with it. Anything. Let me give an example. Do you guys remember there used to be this campaign called Save Our Tigers? There are only 1,411 left. You remember that campaign? Yeah. You know what? We don't have that campaign anymore. You know why? Because the tigers can't wait. We will save ourselves. You guys just stop making songs like Shera Di Kaum Punjabi. Tigers were like, you can't call us Punjabi just because we are hairy, loud and non-vegetarian. They can't relate to it, especially the Bengal tigers. What they relate to is Saurav Ganguly, literature, Sandesh, Akla chalo re. Any Bengalis in the house? Bengalis? Just one poor little thing, just one. उसका हाथ पकड़ के कर रहे ऊपर ऐसे. What's your name? अरे ऊपर, अरे सस्ती टिकट वाले भी. सॉरी सर, ये महंगी टिकट वालों को सिर्फ बोलने का रखा है. आप देखो. What's your name?
Advitiya.
हाँ?
Advitiya.
एक तो बंगाली में कसम खा रखी थी. नाम रखेंगे नहीं ऐसा कि सामने वाला बंदा पहली बार में बोल सके.
अद्वितीय.
अद्वितीय. मैं पक्का बता रहा हूँ 5वीं 6वीं तक तो खुद ही नहीं बोल पाया हूँ. You know what's the meaning of your name or whatever?
Someone who is unique.
Someone who is
unique.
I'm sorry, my friend, your parents lied to you. But you're the only Bengali here. Is it in this room here? You're the only Bengali, which clearly now makes sense. The song they have, Ekla Chalo Re, as you can see. Nice. Can I call you Eddie?
Yo.
Yo. Yo. Cool, yo. That's it. Thank you. Sit down. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. So, what do you guys want to know about me? You guys want to, like, ask stuff? Or everybody's too scared now? पता नहीं क्या पूछेंगे क्या बोलेंगे बोल anybody wants to questions yeah no anybody has seen live stand-up comedy before ever where oh yesterday उससे पहले नहीं cool but do you follow comedy you guys yeah on YouTube yeah Russell Peters who AIB you guys follow AIB on YouTube और मेरे को बोला नॉर्मल जोक नहीं करने का यहाँ पे ऐसा क्या है जो तुमको नहीं पता होगा but nice they're good friends I like them yeah but do anybody of you aspire to be a comedian huh who wants to be a comedian अरे नहीं अब तो बोलना पड़ेगा नहीं अरे हाँ कोई भी बोलेगा तो ऐसे थोड़ी बन जाऊंगा तो मुझे पता ऐसे नहीं बनते पर यू नो ना दिस इज अ कॉर्डलेस माइक अरे दोस्त खड़े हो यार He wants to kill all of you right now. That's what he wants to do. Rohit, अरे मैं बात कर रहा हूँ ना. रोहित तुम्हारा नाम क्या है?
Always.
What?
Always.
Always. And what do you do always? What standard? 11th. So why do your friends think that you want to be a comedian?
तो इनसे पूछना पड़ेगा.
हाँ क्या जोक वोक सुनाते हो क्या करते हो? कुछ भी नहीं ऐसे ही क्या हुआ you want to come on stage always join me come अरे इतना बड़ा ब्रेक कहाँ मिलेगा his friends do you guys want him to come on stage अरे व्हाट्सएप की जोक सुना दो कम
Dishant, 10 more minutes. Dishant,
कहाँ से आई आवाज
10 minutes.
10 minutes cool so are there any question answer thing or yeah cool so I can't ask myself questions that's weird अरे आना दोस्त आ रास्ते में क्यों रुक गए रेड कारपेट बिछाऊं क्या तो क्या जोक वोक सुनाते हो हाँ तो क्या ऐसा क्या क्यों इतनी नफरत करते हैं आपसे हाँ एक जोक सुना एक जोक अरे आता ही नहीं मतलब जोक की बात कर रहे हैं क्या आता ही नहीं है कब्जी थोड़ी हो रखी है आता ही नहीं है सर आता ही नहीं मम्मी सुबह एक गिलास दूध पिलाती फिर भी नहीं एक जोक बट यू सीरियसली वांट टू बी कमेडियन No, you don't want to be. So ऐसे ही मजे ले रहे हैं. So yeah, okay now. But seriously, if you guys want to know anything, how I started, anything, feel free to ask. I'm here to answer, and I'll be, as I said, as honest I can be. Yeah. Any questions? Yeah, there's this girl in the back. Can somebody please pass a mic? Yeah. Yeah. You have a mic? Sure. But ladies first, so we'll ask her first. Sorry, that's how this world works, this feminism these days.
You are asking everybody here that they had a girlfriend or not. So I want to ask you that at your times, do you have a girlfriend?
How do I? How many times? How many times do I have what? I don't know. Please ask again. No, let her do the honor. Yeah.
So do you had a girlfriend at your time?
Yeah, of course. And then now she's my ex-girlfriend because I'm married to her.
Okay.
So she became ex-girlfriend and now wife. Yeah. But honestly, why I'm also a comedian is because of my class teachers. You guys would relate to this because you're still in school. Every time she would see me laughing, my teacher would see me laughing, she'll be like, stand up and share the joke with the entire class. Doing till today. Yeah, you had a question. Go ahead.
Firstly, you were an NDTV editor.
Yes. Not editor, I was a producer. I used to work with NDTV. I've been there for 8 years. And I used to go to temple every day, put a nariyal ki mujhe se chudao. I've had a lot of parkhadat, I just want to... Yeah, I was with NDTV.
So it's a big network of news. So
Yeah.
how you managed to give out that and start a comedian?
Okay, no, very interesting question. Honestly, I started doing stand-up comedy in 2009. That's when Veerdas, you guys know Veerdas? Yeah, so that's when Veerdas moved back from US and he started this thing of English stand-up comedy in India. Before that, there was none. And that's when I went for my open mic. Open mic is when you try your jokes for the first time and if you want to be a comedian, that's the stage you're provided to go on stage and be funny. And I remember my first open mic, I was reading jokes out of my BlackBerry. For 15 minutes, no laugh. All of them were so funny in my head. No laugh. So that was my first open mic. And in 2012, my boss called me. She saw a picture of mine on Delhi Times page 3. And that's how she got to know that I do stand-up comedy. And she told me that you got to choose between one. This job or comedy. I'm like, okay, give me 2 minutes. I'm like, comedy. And I quit my job and yeah, that's what I've been doing.
And one more.
Yeah, sure.
You are a great comedian, we have seen that. But on your jokes, does your wife laughs?
See, how old are you?
15.
15. So once you're married, maybe ask your dad. Wives laugh on you all the time. Just anything. They just look at you, they think you're a joker. But yeah, she's my biggest critique. She gives me a lot of material, like, just being herself. That's so much material for me. Yeah, she laughs. She laughs at my jokes.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Last question. Last. That's it.
There's one there. Yeah, go ahead, yeah.
So as you told now, it takes a lot of courage to give a big job and to go out of league to from managing to comedy. Sir, what kept you motivating, or what was the state of your mind in those 2 minutes?
As I said, girlfriends, no. No. So I started making money out of this in 2011. After 2 years being into comedy, after that I started making money out of it. So that was one good thing. So when I had to quit, it was easy for me to do it. And the second reason was my wife was very supportive. She told me on my face, the only thing you're good at is at making people laugh. Do it. So that's
Sir, is there any such thing that it was your passion or?
Oh yes, always. I've been the class clown all my life. That's what I did. Even like, right now you would have that one guy in your group. All of you have that one guy who makes you laugh the most. Yeah, yeah, you do, right? Like, yeah. So I was one of those. I was just one of those guys. Yeah. So yeah. This I'm living my dream. That's if I could say. Yeah. Hi, what's your name?
सर पुलकित
Pulkit.
सर मेरे को भी कॉमेडियन बनना है, तो जब भी टीचर मुझसे क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं क्लास में खड़ा होता, तो सारे बंदे मेरे को देख के हंसने लग जाते हैं.
बन गया ऑलरेडी, और क्या चाहिए? तो मेहनत भी नहीं करनी पड़ती, मेरे को तो जोक्स लिखने पड़ते हैं, याद करने पड़ते हैं, बोलने पड़ते हैं. आपको अगर ऐसे खड़े होकर लोग देखते समझने लगते हैं. सही है. घर वाले भी हंसते हैं आप पे. पापा भी हंसते हैं. पापा को तो नहीं हंसना चाहिए. अगली बार पापा हंसे, बोला पापा मैं आपका ही बाहर से नहीं आया.